got about a 5-inch lift on it right now. A couple different tactical features, gun holsters and whatnot. And for DS18 equipment, we've got everything from seatbelt covers, steering wheel covers. We've got a radio that's in there that is all DS18. All of the speakers that are in there are Bluetooth connected. They can go with the music, sounds, different colors, you name it.
I had a dream